What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Copy Trader. Today I just wanted to talk about the perfect wallets to trade with. Guys are messaging me all the time asking me what kind of wallet should they be trading with. And what most guys do when they get into copy trading is they get overzealous. They want to make money really fast. They usually come here to the top copy traders and they try to trade some of these KOLs, guys who are making $100,000 a day, trading 1 to 200 times a day. It's just non-stop, and they lose complete control, and they pretty much lose their money within minutes. So many guys come back to me and they're like, man, I just lost $100 and I turned my bot on 10 minutes ago. And I'm like, well, what did you do? How did you allow that to happen? Who were you copying? And it's usually the same story. They found someone like this, or they found someone trading every 2 minutes. They don't really yet understand what kind of wallets they can profit with and the concept of slippage, so they end up getting burned. And it's fine to be there. You really have to be there as a beginner. I was there for years, but you can quickly graduate from that by watching videos like this, by learning from all the mistakes that I made for years, so you don't have to. And instead of talking to people one-on-one all day trying to help them, I'm trying to make videos like this on YouTube so anyone can watch them and learn extremely quickly. So if you like this content, guys, it would really help me out if you hit the like button. And if you want to see all of our videos, which will be extremely informative like this one is going to be, then feel free to subscribe. So what's the perfect wallet? Well, it's definitely not anyone on this list. These are incredible traders, but they just trade too much. Literally 7,000 transactions in 7 days. They're trading with extremely large sums of money. Many people are trying to copy trade them. I promise you, if you try, you will lose. But on copytrader.com, that's trader with 2 R's, every single day we are dropping incredible wallets, real traders that you can trade with. And here are 3 examples from today's wallet drop. These are all from today's wallet drop. This is not inflated in any way, but these are 3 guys who I just found in 10 minutes. And I'll give you a sneak peek at their wallets, because these are 3 guys who I would trade with and who I'm going to trade with. And in my opinion, these are the perfect wallets. So here's the first one. And right away, you see he's got a nice win rate and a nice ROI. So even with slippage, if you copied him like for like, you would probably make money, assuming he's not doing anything sketchy or he doesn't have a lot of copy traders. But if you come down, you see that he doesn't trade very often. Look at that, in 2 weeks, just about 10 trades in 2 weeks. When he trades pretty well. You have a couple nice wins here, a couple that aren't anything crazy. When he loses, he doesn't lose very big, but then this is what I'm looking for. He's got this big 541% win here, so that's going to make you a lot of money. These you're probably going to break even on. These you're probably going to make a little bit of money. That's nice. You can come down and keep looking. He's got 90%, he's got 70%, he's got 220% here, 100% here. He's not trading much, but assuming the charts look good, you're not going to lose money on this guy. Now, I'm going to open up his charts. So we got Banksy here. We got Banksy here. And this is beautiful. I mean, this is what I want to see. 4 transactions, 2 buys, 2 sells. What I'm really looking for here, guys, what's so beautiful about this is he's buying at a low market cap. And look at this. There's literally no slippage. And slippage is the price impact on the chart that his buy has. So if he buys and the price spikes up to here, then you're not going to buy until all the way up to here. And that's no good. But when he buys, in the candle that he buys, the price goes up 9%. I mean, that's fantastic. So you're going to get in about 10% higher than him. You're going to get in about right here. And what I also like about this guy is he's not selling fast. So he's holding for quite some time. And you actually have the option to take profit before he even sells. So we could have made a nice 358% on this token. Easy, no problem. Beautiful trader. Let's look at his next token, Torrent AI. Once again, yeah, he's buying here and there is literally no price impact when he buys. The chart doesn't move. There's no slippage at all. You're basically going to get in right above him. He has 0 copy traders except me now. And we're dropping wallets like this every single day, over 100 wallets at copytrader.com. If you're not getting professional wallets tailored to you, then you are at an extreme disadvantage in this game. So right away, again, he holds nicely. He sells 3 times. I think one of the sells is all the way down here. So we don't need to hold that long. We can take it. We'll probably copy his first sell at 200%, copy his second sell at 300%, and I'd probably sell the rest here for another 300% win. I mean, guys, we are making crazy life-changing money here on just 2 trades. Another important factor that you really want to be checking is the age of the wallet. So in this case, this is also still like it's really incredible how his wallet is over 150 days old. And even back then, he was doing really good. So this guy's been doing good for a very long time. It's actually incredibly impressive. So he's been getting 800% 243 days ago. So that's a very important factor. And another very important factor you need to check is, does he have any unrealized open trades that are skewing his stats? Because his win rate could say 80%, but if he doesn't sell his tokens that are not doing well, then there might be like minus 90, minus 99, minus 89, and it would be pretty much a false win rate and a false ROI. So you really have to check for that. But it seems like he's only holding 1 token and it's only down 4%. So that's fine. Another factor that you really want to look at when looking at these wallets is how long are they holding the tokens. So this guy's holding, sometimes he's holding very quickly. That's okay. But for the most part, he's holding 19 minutes, 23 minutes, 15 hours, 53 minutes, 24 days, 21 minutes. You know, these are pretty good hold times. So he's not farming, he's not buying and selling really quickly. So that's just another thing that I look for when looking at these wallets. But if you want to go into even more detail about that, then check out our free course at copytrader.com. So that's this first guy. Let's look at another one that's in the same exact wallet drop. Beautiful stats. Wow. I mean, that's pretty incredible. Only 22 trades in 30 days. That's nice, guys. That's nice. And now I've got 2 traders who are both trading around 20 times in 30 days. So I've got at least 1 trade a day. Beautiful stats. Let's look. Really, you know, okay. We've got some small losses here, a small win. We'd probably lose 10 to 20% on some of these. That's okay. Because you come down, we might make a little bit here, probably make 50% here, and then look at that. Boom. 1,500%. Bought 1 time, sold 17 times. That's exactly what I'm looking for, is like the ability to maybe tread water for 6 or 7 trades until I hit that big win. Most guys, they start trading, they lose 10%, they lose 20%, they lose 10%, and they freak out. They stop their bot, and then the next 5 trades are all really good. This is the classic copy trading conundrum, the death cycle, where you stop your bot because they don't do good right away. Then they do good, so you start your bot again, and then they do bad, so you stop your bot, and you just keep losing. So $100 turned into 2,000 here. That's more than some people make in a month in many countries. So let's come down 50%. We have some nice wins here. We have a nice win here. Small losses, nothing, no like rugs or 90% losses. 100%, 150, 172, 200%, 119. This guy is such a good trader. So beautiful, man. Like, you can't beat this. Honestly, this is exactly what you should be looking for. And I'm purposely not showing the wallet addresses in these videos because if 100,000 people watch this video and all start trading these wallets, then they won't be good anymore and you'll all lose money, and I don't want that to happen. So you need to find your own wallets in our wallet drops, which you can do. There's wallets like this being dropped every single day. There's an abundance of them. There's no scarcity. So click the link below this video to get started today. Okay, let's look at one more trader from the same wallet drop. Okay, here we go. Nice win rate, good ROI. Again, new trader, only 21 trades in 30 days. Beautiful. You know, so now if we trade with this guy, we've got 60 trades in 30 days. We've got 2 trades a day. You can't beat that. You know, he's got some small losses here. You know, someone might start trading with him here. They might make 10% and then lose 3 in a row and then freak out and turn the bot off. And then the next 4 trades would have all made them 100% gains. So you need to find a trader. You need to believe in them. You need to have enough money to hang with them for at least 20 trades and just let what's going to happen. So I like this guy. I like the look of this guy a lot. 338%. When he loses small. Nice big wins. 329%. Really, really nice trader, guys. This is another nice guy. I'm going to plug all 3 of these guys in today, and I'm going to be printing with these guys for the next month. This is how you win in the copy trading game, with patience. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze each one of these guys. I'm going to analyze each one of their last 20 trades, and I'm going to come up with a unique strategy for each one. Each trader has to have their own unique strategy, and you can't look at 2 charts and make a conclusion. I need to look at 20 charts for each trader. I need to take my time. Maybe that's going to take me 2 days. Maybe I'm not going to trade for 2 days, but I'm going to put the time in and I'm going to do it right. And then I'm going to trade for a month and I'm going to make serious money. There is no rush. If you rush, you will lose money. I promise you that. If you take your time and you are super selective, super picky, then you will win. So this is a look into what I consider the perfect, 3 of the perfect wallets. And these were all dropped in the same wallet drop. And we drop 1 wallet drop every single day. So you can imagine how many amazing wallets are out there. So stop looking at the KOLs. Stop trying to find your own wallets on Deck Screener, which takes like 8 hours and you might find one, and just invest in your success. CopyTrader.com is not an expense, it's an investment. If you can invest a small amount of money each month, even if it's a big amount of money for you, and that's going to allow you to make 10 times as much money from that investment because you're getting professional grade wallets, you're getting tools to analyze them, then that's what it takes to win. Not just trying to push my own products, but this is just genuinely the advice that I have. Take it or leave it, or use someone else's products, I don't care, but just stop trading with wallets from GMGN, because I know how it is out there. Guys are messaging me every single day telling me that this is impossible, that all they're doing is losing money. And 95% of copy traders do lose money because they are all rushing and they are not taking their time. I spend days analyzing wallets, because if you do it once and you do it right, you have a wallet that you can trade with for months. And all of a sudden you start assembling over the course of weeks and months a team of elite traders who are trading slowly and are trading beautifully, who have no slippage when they buy and have no slippage when they sell. We've got full in-depth A to Z courses on CopyTrader.com. So use the link below. Those courses are free, and you will learn everything you need to be successful in this game. We've got our Discord channel where you can ask questions. We're there to help you do so. And I'll keep dropping free videos on this YouTube channel. So subscribe, like this video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you guys want to see. I appreciate you all being here so much and for watching this, and I will see you next time.